Welcome, everyone. This is the weekly agenda for 824 for Biblical Traditions. What will you be learning this week? We are going to start that 2-week unit of getting the whole Bible from the book of Genesis to the book of Revelation. So we'll be starting it this week. We'll have 2 classes. And so hopefully we'll get through the first 3 time periods: beginnings of creation, Adam and Eve, the patriarchs and matriarchs, and the book of Exodus. And so that is our goal for the 2 classes this week. The assignment, as I mentioned in our first class, there will be a books of the Bible quiz. Now, we said maybe it would be this Friday. I think it would be easier just to push that off to next Monday. So you can take a look at that first chapter of Written on Our Hearts, our textbook, and it's page 23 is where you see the books in the Catholic Old Testament broken up into 4 different sections. And we'll talk about the quiz a couple times when we have class. So that is our weekly agenda for the 2 classes that we have for Biblical Traditions. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow.